Hi everyone, here we are at the Target dollar spot. Let's see what they have. Okay, so here's a 2021 calendar. These are $5. They're so pretty. Look at them. Let's see if I can show that to you. They are so nice. I'm loving that. I'm loving this one too. Perpetual calendar. I like that. Then they have this kind. These are really nice too. And look, they even have planners. Here's a 2021 in the peach. Okay, that's what that looks like. And what is this? Oh, you got this. I think this is a journal. Yes, I like that. And I think those are $3. That's what the tag says here. And this one says, take time to grow. Then up here we have markers, I think, for $1. The writing set, $1. And what are these? And these are small, these are hanging wall calendars, and these are also $1. That's what those look like. And then this over here is weekly. Weekly to do, these are memo pads. These are $1, and that's what those look like. I'm sorry, I can't reach. And then these are stickers. Aren't these nice? Important, love this. To do, note to sell. I like those. Planner stickers. Those guys are $1. Down here you have some more calendars, and then you have these. These are $5. And then you have these are presentation boards, memo boards. Isn't that pretty? And those are $5. This one says morning, afternoon, and evening. Okay. This one says brush your teeth and wash your hands. I like those. So those are also $5. Then we have these. Fluff and fold. Wash your darn hands. And make yourself at home and dinner. I like these. So these are 3 little blocks. Okay. These are really nice for some tier trays, and those are $3. So that's what they have here. And I think these are also more, oh, these are also planners. I'm really liking these. So these are $3. So they have it in the peach. Here's a weekly one. I'm liking that, and I'm also liking this style. Those are $3. Then here, yoga mat spray. Those are $3. Oh, and look at these. Okay, these are wire words. Flush, wash. Those are $3. What else do they have? So they have that in the blue. They have it in the white. Wash, dry. Oh, and they also have this kind. So this says keys, and it has the clips on the bottom. These are really nice. And then these says lost socks. Okay. Now they have these candles. These are $3. This one says thank you. Wash your darn hands. I don't know if they have a scent. Okay, this one says home is my happy place. And I think that's pretty much it over here. So those are $3. Then you have some throw pillows down here. I'm absolutely loving these. I love the tassels. So these pillows are $5. That one over there says home. Let's see what else they have. Oh, look at these. I like these organizational bags. Collapsible bins, $5. That's what they have here. And then these are drawer bins. Oh, these are really good for organizing. Those are $5. And then you get 2. I think these are 2, or they're individual. You get 2 baskets. I like these woven baskets. Okay, so you get 2 of these for $5. Those are really pretty. Look at this. All right, so these are $3, and this is a wall shelf. Okay, so you hang it this way, I think. I'm sorry, this way. like this. So those are $3. And then they have these easels. These are $3. It's a nice size. Okay. What are these? These are stencils with the brushes. These are $3. And they come in this peach and in this color green. And then here you have a journal. And you have some string in the back. What is that? It says one DIY journal. Those are $3. So they come in that color and they come in that color. Then they have these little pouches here with the tassels. Those are $3. And then these are little canvas bags, tote bags. So these are also $3. They come in that cream color and the white. Then you have these. I like these plastic zipper pouches. This one has it's for makeup. It's pretty neat. Those are also $3. And then, oh, look at the chalkboards in the shape of a heart. And look, I have a key. That's so cute. All right, so that's $3. And then they have the family sign in the wood. That's $3. And I think that one says family too. And then here are the small little buckets for $1. And here's the acrylic paint for $1. And what are these? Oh, these are like feminine little pouches. It says acrylic paint. No, small, discreet, feminine little pouches. And they say none of your business. These are made of tin and they have little hearts on them. Okay, this one is in white. And then this one over here is shaped a little bit different. And that's also in red with little hearts around it. These are $3. Then you have the heart little bowls. Those are $3 each. That's what they look like. And then these are the towel with the pot holder. Those are also $3 and they only come in that color. Along the bottom they have some more trays. Okay, so we have some starry lights. Warm white lights, those are $3, the string lights. Then here, what is that? The heat pocket, resistance style tool mat. Oh, this is nice. You can put like a curling iron or anything hot on top of it. I believe those are $3. And what are these? Oh, these are picture frames. So you have that color, and then you have the blue. And that's also $3 each. And these are wall hooks. Okay. Those are $3. So they come in white and then they come in this multicolor. These are the white ones. These are really cute. Then they have these. These are plastic. Okay, you have the narwhal. And then you have the unicorn. These are plastic. And like I said, and those are $3. So what does this say? Imagine. So that wall sign is $3. Then we have some wallpaper over here. What is this? Removable wall art. Those are $5. And then you have that tray and that pillow. Those are $5. Okay, so over here we have, oh look, the coffee cup. So this coffee cup in ceramic, that is $3. So you're like really pretty, aw. And then these are cards, XO. Okay, those cards are $3 for the box. And then you have these, XO, you and me, and hello. There's like 3 different frames there, and you get, they're $3. So I guess that makes that $1 each. Then we have some thyme, like a grow kit. What is that one? Basil. These are $3. Thyme. And then these are also, this is macrame aloe grow kit. So all of these are $3. And this is a strawberry grow kit. I think all of those are strawberry. And this little one is a candle. Love you very much. Isn't that adorable? That's 3. Down here, they have surprise bouquet. Oh, what's the gray one? That one doesn't, oh, the gray one is surprise bouquet. I'm sorry. And then this one is fresh crush. Down here you have some boxes. This one is so pretty. So this is $3, and this heart one here, I think they're all $3. And they come in that green over there and the regular brown color. Then we have some socks over here. So these are 3 pair for $3. That's really nice. So over here we have some toys. So this is $1. So these are the play markers. We have some of these hearts and these balls. This is all slime, and they come in animal. The tops are like animal shapes, and then here, oh look, these are rubber squishies. Some of them are hard though. They're so cute. Okay, these are toys. These toys are $1. Let me just scan that for you. Okay. Then if we come over here, we have some foil stickers for $3 and the shaped crayons for $3. Novelty storage. That's a nice container. That's a hedgehog, $3. And then you have these interchangeable puzzle pieces. This is in wood. I like those. Those are $3. And these are the circular ones with the colors. Okay. And some more toys on this side here. So we have some workbook math. Well, this is, 6-count wall crawlers. That's cute. Some more toys over here. These are $1 for 2 of them, and this is a play pack. And then these are reusable bags. Here's the Mickey Mouse ones. And these are the Avengers. Frozen. Some hand sanitizer. Valentine tattoo boxes. This is acrylic paint. These are $1. Okay, here's some window clings. I believe these are also $1. Yep. And here's the heart ones. These. They're so nice. You are amazing. Here are the pencils. I think they're pencils. Yeah, they're pencils. Come in that color. Here's the one with the hearts. Okay, what are these? These are $3, and these are scented candles. This one's called Sweet Pea, and I think that's all I see, Sweet Pea. Okay, so you have some blender sponges here, and this is the little private pack. Let's see what else. So they have some nails, press-on nails. Those are $3, and those are the ones they have. Some more organizational containers here. Oh look, this is a pillowcase. I like that. Look at that. It's like a metallic silver. I hope you can see that. Some more toys. Here's some hair clips. And these have been like all over the place. So a hand-free tool. So they have a bunch of those. And these are some little mini napkins. These are so cute for your bag. For you, happy treasure, focus on the positive. So those are $1 each. These planner pads, some organizational boxes down there, and some more pencils. So what are these? Packable cup. Oh, these are really nice, these silicone cups. And what is this? This is a lint brush. These things, guys, are $1. So this is a bag handle. You know, these come in so handy. Okay, so they come in that color and this color. And then this is a mini bottle, 2-count, for $1. Oh, and I love their bags. I wrapped this all by myself. It comes with a little tissue and the tag for $1. Okay, what is this? Wireless earbuds. And some of the audio stuff. Some candy. Some more window clings. Here you have the red tin mailboxes. Those are $1. The Valentine's Day cards. This is a pack of 6 count sticker book for $1. Here's some scented markers. Here's some more slime and some more toys all along the top here for $1. You have some socks, some dinosaur books, okay, what are these? Wood food. That's so cute, wood food. And here's a sparkle art activity kit. Okay, and here's some artificial flowers. Those are so pretty. Okay, so these bunches here are $3. Isn't that pretty? That peach color is so nice. Okay, some more boxes along the bottom, some faux plants, and look, some moss stones. These are $3 for this pack, and some more florals. So guys, this is what they have at the Target dollar spot over here by where I live. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.